Yeah, I lied to you, you cried to me. I ride for you, you ride for me. To be the man that you wanted, yeah, I tried to be. All I wanted was you to say that you proud of me. Yeah, this be my letter of apology. We be going back and forth, shit be comedy. I know a lot of times you be getting tired of me, but honestly, I can see myself without you, babe. Yeah, you my one, you my only. You my girl, you my homie. You the only one that know me. Please don't leave me here lonely.
It ain't the same when you're not around. I get to thinking about you on a regular now, yeah. I was ignoring all my feelings till I heard something about you running away, girl. I'm just saying, what's the difference if we both doing things that we shouldn't be, but we still did it before anyway? I get dumb smacks, send a late night text, catch a vibe, I can front those my white any days. Locked in for L, been through it and back, get to it and stack, build it up with a jeans, show a cuff, yeah, I'm in love with it. Stay down, shorty, put all of your trust.
You said you ride or you die with me, smiling, you cry with me, sitting here thinking about the times you was high with me. You the only one that never ever doubted me, held me down really when I didn't have a salary. I did you wrong, yeah, now you moving fly with me. Travel around the world, ain't gon' lie, you been around with me. I've been down, asking God to send a sign to me. Took you out to dinner in the movies and the galleries. To be alone, I don't really know how to be. You just laugh, you ain't even say bye to me. Can't control all these feelings that's inside of me. You the one that really brought the best side of me. Yeah, you my one, you my only. You my girl, you my homie. You the only one that know me. Please don't leave me here lonely. I lied to you, you cried to me. I ride for you, you ride for me. To be the man that you wanted, yeah, I tried to be. All I wanted was you to say that you proud of me. Yeah, this be my letter of apology. We be going back and forth, shit be comedy. I know a lot of times you be getting tired of me, but honestly, I can see myself without you, babe. Yeah, you my one, you my only. You my girl, you my homie. You the only one that know me. Please don't leave me here lonely.
Don't leave me here lonely.